Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on POCO X6. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then move to the additional settings, enter gesture shortcuts. Here we can see them all. First one is launch Google Assistant. Now when you press the power button and you have this function activated, hold it for 5 seconds and it should launch your Google Assistant. Next is take a screenshot. There's two options. First one is slide 3 fingers down from top of the screen to make a screenshot. Next one is volume down and the power key at the same time to make a screenshot as well. Next is a partial screenshot. If you hold your 3 fingers onto the screen, you'll be able to make a partial screenshot. Then we have launch camera. There's two options when you activate them both. First, work with double press power button. And the next one works only on your lock screen and you will need to double press volume down button. Let's move on to turn on flashlight. Here you will need to replace it with the camera previous function and then double press the power button to activate or deactivate the flashlight. And lastly, there was a back tap. And here you can pick a different function for double back tap or triple back tap. The functions are basically the same. You just need to either double tap or triple back tap your phone to perform one of them. In this case, let's go for the screenshot. Then we need to pick up our phone and double back tap, I guess right here. And it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.